Good afternoon, I'm Kaulen and this is PHS Afternoon News for Tuesday, September 17th. The French Scenic Railway is holding auditions for the Paoli Express. You must be 13 years of age to be considered for a role. Kickball intramural sign-up forms have been sent to your email. Get a team together or sign up as an individual and be placed on a team. Sign-ups will end September 27th. The game will be played on October 2nd. Girls varsity golf will be away tonight at Providence starting at 4:30. Boys JV and varsity tennis will be at home tonight against Crawford County starting at 5. Boys junior high football is at home against Mitchell tonight starting at 6. Junior high volleyball will be home against Charlottesville starting at 6. Girls JV and varsity volleyball will be away at Perry Central starting at 6:30. Transport all your aims and extra time. There will be no junior high spellball practice for September 16th in Mrs. Brown's room. Any juniors who would like to take the PSATs need to come sign up in the guidance office by Friday, September 20th. This will provide more practice for the SATs and could qualify you for the National Merit Scholarship. I'm Kaulen, and that's your afternoon news. Have a fantastic day.